TriPac Envidia auxiliary power units by Thermo are an all-electric, battery-based auxiliary heating and cooling temperature management system. TriPac Envidia enables drivers to reduce unnecessary truck engine idling while enjoying a comfortable sleeper compartment environment. By following some simple best practices, drivers can maximize the runtime and battery capacity of the Envidia APU. Keep window curtains closed to reduce radiant heat from sunlight, and close the curtain between the cab and sleeper overnight to reduce air conditioning load. Keep the AC temperature in a moderate range to extend battery life. Use cab lights and accessories wisely to prevent battery drain and limit the number of devices and appliances connected to the optional AC power inverter. Ensure your truck is equipped with a 270 amp or greater alternator, and, of course, use shore power when it's available with the optional AC-DC shore power converter. Envidia is controlled by a simple-to-use, intuitive 3-dial controller called the Human Machine Interface, or HMI. On the left is the system on-off and mode button. Press the button for 1 second and release to turn the Envidia unit on. If you just tap or bump the button, the controller will light up, but the unit will not turn on. As you can see, there are 3 modes or functions available: cool, fan, and heat. The center dial controls temperature, and with the third dial you can adjust the fan speed or leave the fan on auto for optimum battery life. The controller also has battery and alarm icons. The battery power indicator is a scale of 6 green bars with 6 indicating full charge. When the Envidia batteries are depleted, the power indicator will show 2 yellow bars, which indicates the system is operating on reserve in the truck batteries. When these bars turn red, the reserve is nearly depleted. The green bars will scroll up when the Envidia unit is in charge mode, for example, when the truck ignition is on or when shore power charging is enabled. There is also a red battery alarm icon that will turn on when the system has turned off due to low power reserve. The controller also has a triangular alarm icon that lights up when alarm conditions are present. There are 2 types of alarms: check alarms, indicated by a yellow alarm icon, and shutdown alarms, indicated by a red alarm icon. Yellow check alarms indicate an abnormal condition that should be checked out at the next opportunity by a Thermo technician. Red shutdown alarms should be checked out immediately. The system will not run when this type of alarm is active. To clear alarms, turn the system off and then on at the HMI. If the alarm icon returns, the alarm condition is still in effect. By following common sense best practices for conserving power, the TriPac Envidia APU can give you reliable, money and fuel-saving auxiliary power performance. Thanks for watching.